Alright. Let's just see what happens. Got one. Got one. Oh, nice bat. Oh, nice bat. Woo! No! No! Oh! Get away. Okay. Oh man, that is a chunky fish right there. That is a nice looking fish. Woo! First catch. Not bad, not bad. I haven't even done the intro yet. Alright, I'm gonna get this back. Woo! Woo! Back over here real quick. I felt him take it. I'm not even sure if I got that on this camera. don't know what just happened, but that was a nice fish. Ooh, I haven't done the intro yet. I just got here. This is the first place I stopped to fish. And it is a windy day. I'll probably do the intro at the end of this video and just give you guys a little tour around it, or like I'll throw the drone up, I'll give you guys a look or whatnot. So I'm predicting this from the future or the past? The past, predicting the future of what you're gonna see. Woo!
Love is a drug, but it never comes with a warning. When the calm down comes, you know you're gonna be in mourning. A push and pull courtship, yeah, it betrayed us. And now I need something else to fill the space up. Oh, I'll read between the lines, holding on to better times. I can let it go, I can let it go. I wanna take back what was mine, but only you can change your mind. I won't let it go, I won't let it go.
Oh, sorry. Damn it. I wasn't ready for that one. Damn it. That was it. That was the second fish. Alright, I think I'm gonna end the clip right here. I'm about to the shore anyway. Unless I catch a fish miraculously, which I don't think I will. I don't think I'm gonna even fish anymore, to be honest. So I'm gonna end the video right here. I mean, I ended up catching some pretty good bass today, so can't complain about that. Really nice bass, at least. So, alright, I'm gonna sign off now. See you guys in the next video.